Hello everyone, Joe back again with Dent Solutions in Owen Sound. Today we're working on a Dodge Charger that has a pretty bad dent on the right front door. Unfortunately, the customer came out to her car and found it this way in the parking lot. Again, it's a pretty ugly looking dent, so very upsetting to her when she found it this way. But luckily, she's had work done by us before, so she knew what to expect with the results of paintless dent repair when it's performed at a high level. Although this was a pretty challenging repair, you'll see in the end the results come out 100% perfect. It does have a minor little paint scratch that she's going to have professionally touched up, but we'll walk you through the process and stay tuned for the final results. Thanks for watching.
Alright everybody, let's have a look at the ugly dent on this Dodge Charger. As you can see, it's right on the body line, which adds to the difficulty level quite a bit. Also, the top section of this damage, about the top inch, is behind the upper crash beam on this door, which adds to the difficulty level quite a bit. Another factor on this repair was that the door uses laminated side glass. You have to be so much more careful when working with this glass. It will break rather easy when compared to tempered glass, which a lot of the doors still use. Here's a look under our LED lighting. This is the light we use to do the repair. It's about a 4-inch dent. It's going to come out nice. Here we are about halfway through the repair. Still looking pretty rough. You can see the top section we still have to get to, that's behind the crash beam. But we were really happy to help the customer out with this dent. Here's about 90% of the way done. Still quite a bit of work. And here's the final results. She's going to have that paint professionally touched up, but the dent is perfect. It's gone. It's like it never happened. Customer was ecstatic to get this car back same day, especially with the peace of mind knowing she did not have to paint that door or blend into the fender for color or anything like that. This is her pride and joy. So we were really happy to help her out with this repair. Very challenging, but very satisfying for us in the end. If you have similar damage or would like any more information on this service, you can look us up online at sounddentsolutions.com, or you can give us a call at 519-270-5705. Thanks for watching everybody, and we'll catch you on the next one.